Imagine it's the year 2030. You wake up, open your phone, and your AI assistant says, "Good morning. I finished your office work, replied to your boss, edited your video, and ordered your food." And you're like, "Bro, then what am I doing in life?" Yes, AI is growing fast. And the big question is, will AI replace jobs? Short answer, yes, and also no. Let's explain it simply. Jobs AI will replace. AI is basically a super fast brain that doesn't get tired, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't say, "Sir, network issue." So by 2030, AI will reduce jobs that are repetitive and predictable, like data entry, basic accounting, customer support calls, simple video editing, basic content writing, office paperwork jobs. If your work is mostly clicking, copying, typing, or following rules, AI will do it faster than you can say deadline. But don't panic yet. AI won't replace humans, it will replace humans who don't use AI. This is the real truth. A doctor won't disappear, but doctors using AI will be faster. A teacher won't disappear, but teachers using AI will teach better. A content creator won't disappear, but creators using AI will upload more consistently. So it's not human versus AI. It's human with AI versus human without AI. And trust me, you don't want to be the guy still using a keypad phone in 2030. Room for growth. New jobs AI will create. Now the fun part. AI will also create new jobs like AI prompt engineer, basically professional AI talker, AI video creator or AI editor, AI ethics officer to stop AI from acting like a villain, cybersecurity expert, AI data trainer. So yes, some jobs will go down, but new jobs will come up. Target what you should do now. Instead of fearing AI, learn skills like creativity, communication, problem solving, using AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, etc. Because the future belongs to people who adapt. So by 2030, AI will replace some jobs, but it will also create new ones. The real question is, will AI replace you, or will you become the person who uses AI and stays ahead? Because in 2030, you don't want to say, "I lost my job to AI." You want to say, "I got promoted because I used AI."